Welcome back to Trucast CMS. Today, we'll guide you through the simple yet powerful process of creating playlists. Let's get started. Navigate to the playlist option in the left side menu. Here is where you will craft dynamic sequences of content. To begin, click on Create Playlist at the top right of the page. Give your playlist a name and you're ready to add content. On the right side, you will see a list of your uploaded files. To create your playlist, simply drag and drop the images you want to include. Want to filter them by type? No problem. Use the filter option to separate images, videos, PDFs, and links. Now let's add some customization. Set the time limit duration for each file and decide how many times you want the playlist to repeat. It's all in your control. Made a mistake or want to make changes? You have the option to delete any file from the playlist. Flexibility is key. Once you're satisfied, click on Create to finalize your playlist. Your newly created playlist will now be visible on the playlist homepage in a neat list view. Need to make edits or want to remove a playlist? No worries, you have the option to edit or delete playlists right from the homepage. Trucast, where innovation meets efficiency. Join us on this journey as we redefine content management. Your media, your way with Trucast.